Hey guys, welcome to back another video. I hope you fine. I am also be fine today. Get ready to fall in love with the front door. We are sharing the our favorite door design from the colorful, sleek and modern and first impression matter upgrade your home interest and with this stunning and front door design featuring everything from the classic to wood to metal. Welcome to your dream and home. We are showcasing the most beautiful, unique front door design to inspire and your next renovation project. Make statement with your front door and from the bold colors and smart technology. We are explore this design decor ideas and door with the build planter and door with planters to build into the design to add the greenery geometric pattern to door a with this unique geometric pattern for a modern look and Dutch door and door with the split in half allowing with the top and bottom to open the separately designed a single door arched and door with this arched frame with the elegant classic look. Smart door with this technical integration and door with build the smart technology such as doorbell camera and fingerprint entry. Reclaim the wood door. A door made the reclaimed wood to rustic eco-friendly look. This video here is possible for a unique front door design for your home. Take your home curb appeal with the next level with this unique and take your home to curb appeal to next level with this unique front door design. Don't forget this like and subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon for more videos update. Thanks for watching.